In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the eraser tool in GIMP 2.10. Let's get started by opening GIMP and loading the image you want to work on. You can drag an image into the window or use File, then open to browse to it. Once it's on your canvas, we'll go straight to the eraser. Look to the toolbox on the left and select the eraser tool, or press Shift+E on your keyboard. You'll see your cursor change to reflect the brush shape. Before you start erasing, pick a brush that suits your task. Open the brush panel and choose a shape and texture. A soft round brush is great for smooth blended edges, while a hard round brush gives you crisp, defined cuts. Textured brushes can help create a more natural or stylized edge if that's what you need. Next, head to the Tool Options panel. Here, adjust the size to control how large the eraser is, the hardness to determine how sharp or soft the edges are, and the opacity to set how strong the erasing effect is. Lower opacity lets you gradually fade areas instead of removing them all at once, which is useful for subtle edits and blending. Before you erase, make sure your layer supports transparency. In the Layers panel, right-click your image layer and choose Add Alpha Channel. If this option is grayed out, you're good to go. Your layer already has transparency. Without an alpha channel, erasing will reveal the background color instead of creating a transparent area. With an alpha channel, erased parts show the familiar checkerboard pattern indicating transparency. Now, click and drag on the image to erase the areas you want. Use short controlled strokes for better precision, especially near edges. If you're working around fine details like hair or text, this really helps. For close-up work, zoom in so you can see what you're doing more clearly. You can use the zoom controls in the interface or keyboard shortcuts, like the plus and minus keys, and then pan around as needed. Zooming in makes it much easier to stay inside lines and avoid removing too much. If you erase more than you intended, don't worry. Press Ctrl Z to undo your last action. You can tap it multiple times to step back through your changes until you're right where you want to be. And that's it. That's how you use the eraser tool in GIMP 2.10. Thanks for watching.